Please send help. This is what we're using to carve out the hairline. Hi guys, we're getting ready to go to a wedding. I gotta do the hair and we're gonna do the makeup. You know you gotta whiten your teeth. I'm using the Crest 3D white, and we're gonna put on a face mask. Gotta get the skin nice and hydrated. We're halfway there. This is how the hair is looking. Now my teeth are coming along. So I'm using the Sashabritish. This is like their peel off lip liner. I love this because you don't have to use like a liner. Olive Pearl wig. It is pre-pluck, pre-bleach, and I love the look at the lace. The lace is gorgeous. So we're gonna put this on right now. It's very long. I'm trying to find the scissors. We had an Airbnb. I wanted to cut these back, and of course I could go in with my bronzer, but it's looking really good. It's so long. You know, I want to start doing my makeup. We have like 2 more hours and I need to put my makeup on. I don't know. Please send help. This is what we're using to carve out the hairline. Going in with Secure the Blur. I talk about these primer and I did a review on them. So I never skip this part. It's a night wedding. The wedding is at 5 o'clock. Oh my god, almost 3. You could already see oil sucker is starting to change. And I'm excited. When I was little, I used to be a flower girl. And I just love it. I always do. Like and subscribe for more content. I'm in an Airbnb and the light keep going on and off. I have no idea how much I say that in this entire video. But it is what it is. We gotta keep going. Starting off with the eyes, I'm using Kylie Classic Matte Palette. Brown. We're gonna do this right in the crease. Go with a darker brown because I think I want to do like a gorgeous smoky. So I think that would be gorgeous. I'm gonna go in with the black in the palette. Blend out the edges. So that is nice and pretty. Finish off the eye with more black. I think I'm gonna put some highlighter in the center, but this is how it looks with the Kylie Elf Halo Glow Foundation and Giorgio Armani. These two really look good together. They eat. Charlotte Tilbury for contour. Just to bring some color back to the face. And I love to bring this down the nose. And we're gonna snatch up our jawline. I love this foundation brush from House Lab because you got a pointy, so you could definitely switch it like this and get right into the nose contour. This concealer is very, very hydrated. Let's get to buffing. So we're gonna blend out this concealer. Just like switch it to the side, and I'm using like a pointy sponge. So I go like just like this and touch these edge right here. And this is just gonna blend all that out. Then I hit the forehead and then go down the nose. I always leave my under eye for last. I've been using a fan to dry my under eye just to speed up the process because I am running late. You see how nicely that's blending? Oh my god. I think I'm going to look even better than the bride. No, sir, I'm just kidding. Set in with Charlotte just to set the under eye. Yes, that's it. So one size ultra pink powder. Just to brighten. Oh no. Why did someone wet my powder puff? Babe. Why you wet my powder puff? One size deep powder. Lately I've been using a sponge to set my all over face. And I've been loving the way I set. And you know, we're going to a wedding, so we do not want to be creasing. Because we're going to be laughing and having a good old time. So you definitely want to be going in all with this powder. Fenty and House Lab. This is warm tone. This is warm tone and this is cool tone. So I like mixing these two just to warm up the face. And I am going to take my band off just to get some more color in my hairline. So we're gonna do that right now. The wig looks pretty good. Definitely using this L'Oreal. This is Infallible. This is gorgeous on deep skin. Mario F4. So gorgeous on deep skin. I'm gonna show you guys my dress. Tight line. Just to add some more color. Gorgeous purple. Right here. Chestnut lip liner. I love this lip liner. You see how little? I have a little bit left. It is so gorgeous here. Look at that little tree. Oh, I love it. This Airbnb, we're in the Cape. So I think they're Asian people own it. It's so beautiful. Like everything in here, it's so gorgeous. Makeup Forever lip liner. This is my favorite little lipstick. Look how little it is. It's like a little sample. Charlotte. Pillow Talk. I love a good nude with a smoky eye. I think it's so beautiful. Look how gorgeous this is. I'm going to make a video on this. Love, love, love. My favorite brow pencil now. Okay, I have my purse out there, but we're in a rush. We gotta go. My camera died, so we had to record on my phone, but we're right by the beach. It's so beautiful. Everyone was looking amazing for the wedding. What we think about the dress is from House of CB. We party all night long. Congratulations to the bride and groom.